Be ready for the dictation without stop. Start. I, as the Minister of State in the Ministry of Defense, had recently an opportunity to visit the Soviet Union and chair a meeting on Indo-Soviet defense cooperation. That was 2 or 3 days before the happenings there, the coup. We had very useful discussions, and I am happy to say that out of the 13 major issues which had to be sorted out with the Soviets in relation to the supply of spares and equipment and also continuing new programs, more than 10 issues were satisfactorily resolved and protocols entered into. The discussions were very cordial and productive. I would like to assure you, Madam Chairman, and through you the House, that Indo-Soviet friendship and cooperation has been built on the strongest foundations by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and our national leaders for the last 40 to 45 years. This cooperation will be pursued. I would not like to say dependence on the Soviet Union as far as our armaments, equipment or technology is concerned, but I would like to say that this cooperation is based on mutual respect. This is not a friendship between two peoples, two governments. This is a friendship between two nations who represent 1 billion people, or 1/5 of the entire humanity. We are very sure that, and that is the signal we are getting from the Soviet Union also, that the Indo-Soviet friendship across the entire gamut or spectrum of cooperation we have painstakingly built over the years will continue, and the Indo-Soviet defense cooperation will be an integral part of it. India shall do everything in its part, and the Defense Ministry shall take such approaches as to strengthen this cooperation, and we hope that we will get complete reciprocity from the Soviet Union. This is not to say that we will not keep our windows open to the world. This is not to say that we will in any way compromise our defense preparedness in relation to the necessity of getting stores, getting equipment, modernizing our armed forces. At no stage will our defense preparedness be compromised. Madam Chairperson, we are all aware of the constraints of the defense budget. It is a part of the constraints of the all-over budget of the nation. This year, the defense budget has been enhanced by 3% over the budget estimates of 1990-91. This is less than the amount suggested by the Committee on Defense Expenditure, which was formed to curtail defense expenditure. This is much less than the demands projected by the services and the agencies under this ministry.